Greetings to all. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Katta, Department MBA Vistas, Program MBA, Semester 2, Subject Operations Management, Topic Integrated Logistics. Now, we'll talk about what is integrated logistics a little bit detailed. In this slide, we can find out what is integrated logistics. What is the term of integrated? Integrated is all the term which is creating the connection between two objectives, two variables or two specific components. Here also the integrated logistics is combining two important things, that is, according to the definition, is a business management model that is increasingly used to accelerate product delivery and improve the customer services. In this model, all the departments, processes and resources are aligned to work in perfect synchronize and operate as an cohesive unit. Here, delivery of the product is not only the objectivity of the logistics, but also that they are focusing on what is the need and demand of the customers. Those information also will be carried forwarded to the manufacturers or whoever the service providers. Because of this, what will happen? You are going to be completely a special logistics company. Because of your company, many investors or many people are getting benefit. Moreover, in this model, indirectly, which is helping for all the departments of the organization and improve their resources, their process system, everything which will be a more perfect. So, delivering of the product, at the same time you are carry forwarding their feedback also to the departments. It is really a very good thing or a good sign for the institution and customers. Here, Council of Logistics Management define about to the integrated logistics. Logistics is the process of planning, implementing and controlling the efficient and effective flow of storage of raw materials, semi-finished and finished products and related information from point of origin to point of consumption in order to meet the needs of the customers. Being an integrated logistics, they were not talking, but they were talking about the broader sense of how this logistics has to be work. Logistics, many obligations, many terms, conditions are there. Beyond that, when they are doing their activities, even they are managing about all the things at their organization, definitely which will be giving a right move for the future development of the industry. Here, the origin of where we are collecting, how it is so important for the logistics, same time the same feel, the same taste, same product we need to carry forward to the end user also, like utmost safety. Then only they will convey their happiness, regards about to the product. So the integrated logistics all the time they were not doing by just pick up and dropping, but also that they were talking with the people, getting their opinions and feedback, a qualitative work which is going to taking place. Here the flow of integrated logical aspects. If you see in the top row, inventory flow, and then last one, information flow. In between, supplier, procurement, manufacturing support, physical distribution, customers. The moment the information flow, who will carry forward the information to the higher ups? Again, the initiative has taken care of by the logistics managers or by their departments or whoever involved in the drivers. They are what kind of information they are collecting about the packing, about the time, about the cost, quality maintenance, or the time delivery, and additional benefits what they are providing for the users. The entire information which is carried forward to the management. Here what management was doing, they are getting information from the logistics to supplier, supplier to the entire procurement team, whoever directly, indirectly involved for manufacturing of the product. They will also assist, support for, this is the feedback was given by the logistics people by getting a first-hand information from the respective end users. Relatively, they will also updating by their system of manufacturing. Then the physical distribution will be make sure ready as per the requirements of the customers. Ultimately, the end users are going to be getting it off. Now, if you want to run the procurement manufacturing support, you need to change about the inventory flow also, if at all required. Because so many days they were using about your product, they are not at all happy with the same features continuing after 10 years also. They want to request you to update by yourself. Based on that, the taste and preferences also to be introduced to the new customers. They will be also entering into the market. What are the activities which is related to the integrated logistics? Physical distribution, material management, logistics engineering, business logistics, logistics management, integrated logistics management, distribution management, supply chain management. So, what is their activity role towards the integrated logistics? When you are delivering the product by a physical form, by to the wholesaler, then again they will be gather the information from them by saying that this is the opinion of the wholesalers or distributors or some kind of agents. They will be correlate the information, carry forwarding. When they are talking with the material department, again they will gather the information, logistics managers, business. So all these are directly, indirectly in the logistics. Most of them directly only. So when they are getting a frequent information from them, then absolutely that is helpful for the companies when they are taking necessary steps. Here, the operations involved in the integrated logistics model. We all know about the inbound logistics, conversion / operations, outbound logistics. Inbound logistics means the flow of material, inventory from supplier to manufacturing company. Whereas this is going to be addressed about multiple components, sometime materials, sometime they will talk about the relationship between firm and suppliers, many things. But all these points are starting point from supplier to manufacturing companies. Whereas the conversion process, this is completely deal about the logical relationship between and among the facilities of the firm. We are ready to provide material for you, but how effectively you are going to be utilizing by those things. What kind of goods, materials we are ready to provide you at your workstation, but what is the capacity of your conversion process also to be noted or to be talking by the companies. Outbound logistics, this is like a physical distribution of after you manufactured a product. All the products were manufactured by the companies. All the finished products are, it has to reach to the end user with the proper relationship managers or by the logistics suppliers. Transportation, it is necessary in outbound, inbound as well as conversion process. It is deals with the movement of a product into, through and out of the plant warehouses. It is most expensive logistics activity, accounting for 50% or more total logistics cost. Facility structure refer to the strategic placement of warehouses, service centers and plants throughout the supply chain. It includes the number of as well as many plants will be using in the different locations about their operational process. Inventory management also, there is no excuse. They are also to be buffer the raw materials, work in progress, finished goods. All these are in the logistics pipeline only. The architecture of integrated logistics. Therefore, the architecture of integrated logistics was talking on to manufacturing to do their regular duties. Here you can take an example like a production function, planning, optimizing the material and supply flow. All these are handling by the regular system of production activities. Moreover, the supply functions, marketing functions also to be involved in the integrated logistics. Here, the selection of the suppliers is also to be a challenging task, because when you are paying money, many people are ready to work for you. But how qualitatively they are working, how dedicatedly they are working, because of hiring the logistics, what is the benefit for your institution also to be noted by the companies. Here, the management and measurement in integrated logistics. We need to be understood what is the capacity of the plant, what is the volume size of production we are producing. In that, what is the qualitative process we are following according to the customer evaluation or their requirement. Based on the efficiency of the company only, the customers will show interest to buy the product. The logistics will be a endless process, but we need to be understand the endless process we need to do with more qualitatively. Thank you.